Hi, welcome to my video in YouTube. Today I'm going to show you the shoes which I bought recently, K-Swiss. Online I bought it, and the shoes are you can see here RV 1.5 men's. It's 8 size, and the color is Java Black Cider. So Java Black Cider, the color is cider or something like a black, Java Black or something. And here is the box what I have. So the K-Swiss logo and designed in California since 1966. So over the years they have this company in California situated, Swiss two brothers who started this company from Switzerland. So that's the name they inherited, Swiss K-Swiss, though they sold it off later on to somebody, and then again now a Korean company owns this one, the brand. They make all sorts of sports shoes, tennis shoes, sports shoes, and of course these are the people who made first tennis shoes. And of course you can see here the information. Later on I can show you. Here is the info which it is over the years. First leather tennis shoe, the K-Swiss Classic in Van Nuys, CA, 1966. Over the years we have grown into a true California sports company making shoes and apparel for a range of sport and lifestyle users. You can now find us on the courts, roads, trails, beaches and boardwalks. So that's about it. The company, the K-Swiss, and it comes with a sticker where you can stick it onto your cupboard or somewhere. And I just unbox it from the box, the cider color, and you can see a lovely complete whole leather. So that's where I felt interesting and amazed with this the whole shoe is made up of leather, and you can see here complete leather, and trademark of this K-Swiss 5 stripes always you can find, and in somewhere on this one is the logo K-Swiss, you can see here. And if you see here, all this is complete leather, pure leather. You can see here leather, and again here is the logo. And one good thing about this, of the 3 shoes I was reviewing today, the shoes, this one is having very good sole. The grip is good, it is very nice grip, rubber which can hold the surface, and the one who walks on the surface really having a nice time feeling a comfortable grippy walk. And that is what I like and love this sole. You can see here lovely sole, and of course the design wise I love this one. It's a white black cider color, or Java black they can say. So in between the white color, the sole, and of course here is again the black leather stitched on cider color or Java black color, and this is rubber complete, and that logo. So overall the shoe looks fantastic, very lovely. I put on and had a look, and I felt so comfortable, though it's just size 8, my exact size. In terms of the brand, in Adidas my exact size is 8. I need to go 8.5 or 8.5 or 9 size to fit exactly to your feet, because Adidas makes bit tighter here in this portion. So when you are going for Adidas, go for 1 size or maybe half size extra than your normal foot, but in this brand K-Swiss you can go exact size of your foot that exactly fits to size. And you can see now how lovely looking these shoes are, and I paid just 35 pounds. It's on sale, so I paid just 35 pounds, It's well worth the money because the whole is completely leather, and it is having different colors as well, so white, brown, and other different types and all other. So this I went for this lovely decision that I took to buy this shoe. I love this shoe overall, the look, the grip, everything, and of course the durability part I cannot comment because this brand I am owning first time, though I bought it so far Reebok, Nike, and Adidas, but I never bought these K-Swiss shoes, and then I need to see this time how they hold their name. They should hold their name very well compared to any other international brand. K-Swiss complete leather shoes, RV. So the again once again the brand, the shoe name is K-Swiss RV 1.5. I don't know this notation 1.5 what it does mean really. 1.5 RV or K-Swiss RV 1.5 trainers. That's 8 size for men's. So there are even for females as well. So overall I love this shoe. It looks fantastic to own it. Thanks for watching this video. We'll see you in the next video. Have a lovely time. Please leave your comments if you love this video, and you can also share with your family and friends. Thanks once again. Have a lovely time. Bye bye. Remember, when you are buying this, exact your feet size is sufficient to buy this size, because in Adidas, as I said, that one size or maybe half size you need to go for higher than your feet size in Adidas, but not this K-Swiss brand. K-Swiss brand is exactly fits to your foot size, so you just go for the exact size of your foot. Thanks for watching once again. Bye bye. See you in the next video. And my lovely K-Swiss box.